Hello learners, here is another question, again finding the equation of the curve. So in my previous videos, I taught you how to find the equation of the tangent as well as the equation of the normal. So now in this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the equation of the curve if you have been given the dy dx of that curve. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please you can click on the subscribe button so that you'll be able to get my live videos. So let's get started. So since we are already now familiar about the equation of the curve, how the curve looks like, how a tangent looks like, how a normal looks like. So now how do we find the equation of the curve if you have been given the dy dx of that curve? So in this case, you are saying find the equation of the curve for which the dy dx is equal to 2x minus 3, where x is equal to y, which is equal to 3. So what you're supposed to know here, I'll start with this one. What you're supposed to know here, x is equal to 3, x is equal to y, which is equal to 3. So this one is just same as 3, 3. Just that. So don't be confused here. So now, here you have been given the dy dx of the function. So now, for you to find the original equation, what you need to do is to find the integral of this derivative. So you know that the integral and the integration and the differentiation, they are just opposite to each other. So if you have been given the dy dx of a function, mean you can find the original function or the function of that function. Or if you have been given the function, you can still find the dy dx, just the opposite. So now, since we have been given the dy dx of this function, which is 2x minus 3. So now how do we get back to the original equation? So meaning now that becomes y. So we are going to integrate this function. So how do we integrate? If you have y is equal to ax to the power n, then the integral of this function will be ax. What you do to the power, you add 1. So meaning it will be n plus 1. Then you divide everything by n plus 1. So meaning that's what I'm going to do even here. So let's get started. So we have 2x, and x we know that is power 1. So what do you do to that power? You add 1. So meaning it will be 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. But now the result again, you're supposed to divide it here. So meaning what is the result? The new power there is 2. So meaning divide by 2. Then you go to the next one, minus. So the derivative of a constant for numbers, just numbers. In this case here we have 3. Just put x behind 3. So meaning it will be 3x. The dy dx of 10x. Sorry, the integral of 10x. So meaning even the integral of negative 3, just add x, there you have negative 3x. The integral of 100x, just like that. So in this case here we have 3x. Then a plus c, very important, the constant. So meaning from here we're going to say y is equal to, with the 2 and the 2 there cancels, so meaning we have x squared minus 3x, then a plus c. So now your job here is to find c. How do we find c? Very easy. So we have these coordinates. This is your x, this is your y. So meaning in this equation here, where there's x and y, you are going to substitute 3. So meaning here, y we have 3 is equal to 3 squared minus, here we have 3 times the x again, 3, then plus c. So I have 3 is equal to 3 squared, which is 9, minus 3 times 3, which is again 9, then plus c. Then as you can see here, 9 plus 9, 9 minus 9 is 0. So meaning 3 is equal to c, or c is equal to 3. As simple as that. So now that we have found our constant to be 3, so meaning the equation now of this curve will be equal to y is equal to, we start from here. So we have x squared minus 3x. Then what is our c? Our c is 3. So meaning plus 3. So this one becomes the equation of the curve. So that's how you can find it. So if you are doubting, you can still say, okay, if this is the function, okay, let me find the dy dx of this function, so that I can see if it will give me this one. So we are going to say, okay, the dy dx, so this is not part of the solution, mind you. So we're just proving to see if this function is correct. So meaning if you have y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 3. So the dy dx here, so we say dy dx is equal to, so the dy dx is the opposite of integration. So what you do, you get this power, you drop it, multiply by the coefficient, and the coefficient of x here is 1. So it will give you 2x. Then take away 1 from the power, it becomes 1. So the dy dx of negative 3x, this one I explained in the previous video. We said, you just say 3. So now check, is this dy dx not same as that dy dx? Just the same. They're just the same. So meaning this function is correct. So this is the equation of the curve. So remember not to forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll be able to make content like this. So for more information, you can reach me on WhatsApp, which is +26 09 78 85 84 56. And thank you so much for watching. And remember, not to forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll be able to make content like this one. And please don't forget to like the video. Bye.